In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add multiple accounts in TikTok app or how to switch your TikTok account. It's pretty easy process to add multiple accounts in your TikTok app, and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and open your TikTok app in your mobile. Now go to your profile. From your profile, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right and just tap on settings and privacy. Once you are in settings and privacy, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will find the switch account option. Just tap on switch account, and now to add multiple accounts, just tap on add account. Now select here login, and all you have to need, go ahead and log into your another TikTok account. Or if you don't have any account, just click on sign up, then you will be able to create a brand new TikTok account. Once done, the account will be added here. Now on to switch any account, just come to this page and tap on switch account, and here you will find all of your added accounts. Just tap on the account in which account you want to sign in. So this is how you can easily add multiple accounts in TikTok. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.